This is the first of a series of videos designed for hospital staff working in quality department, and also those designees and representatives of quality in different departments, together with interested hospital admins and department heads, to give them hands-on training on quality improvement and its tools, with illustrative examples and detailed description of the quality improvement process, and prepare them to be active members of quality improvement teams. For more videos, visit my Facebook page, Healthcare Quality. It's important to know that quality is never improved by taking a general approach. Any hospital could enhance quality by identifying a specific project to work on, making improvements, and then moving on to identify the next project. There are many approaches to process improvement. In this workshop, we will explain the methodology called Focus BDCA, and we will describe it in detail. For focus, F for find a process that needs improvement. O, organize a team who is knowledgeable in the process. C, clarify the current knowledge of the process. U, understand the causes of variation. S, select the potential process improvement. For BDCA, we have P for plan the improvement and data collection. D for do the improvement and data collection and data analysis. C for check the data for process improvement. Then A for act to hold the gains and continue improvement. Now we will take a look at other methodologies that can be used for quality improvement. Just a quick look. Here is a list of these methodologies. Plan, test, act, check. Xerox 10-step benchmarking model. Ernst & Young 7-step improve model. Organizational dynamic fade cycle. Juran's quality improvement process. Process improvement model. Decision-making cycle. Idea. Accelerated cycle change approach. Six Sigma. Lean thinking approach. All mentioned approaches share the following characteristics: planned, organized, articulated, and documented. Systematic, incorporating planning, setting priorities for improvement, assessing performance methodologically, implementing improvement activities based on assessment, and maintaining achieved improvements. Organization-wide, involving the entire organization, its leaders, and its important functions. Collaborative, an interdisciplinary cross-functional approach organized around the flow of patient care and involving all important organization functions, departments and services, settings, and disciplines. The common characteristics of these approaches are identifying and focusing on prioritized areas in the organization, collecting data and measuring performance, assessing performance, taking action for improvement, assessing improvement, effective team development and interaction, and use of statistical, analytical, and consensus tools at all steps. Thank you and see you in the second video.